I have a tip for you for a first-time home buyer. Obtaining a pre-approval letter is an essential step in home buying process. Here you go. Here are the 3 reasons why a pre-approval letter is very important for you. Alright, number 1, understanding your budget. You don't want to go shopping without this. You need to understand your budget. Alright, number 2, strengthening your offer. When you find a home you want to purchase, you need a pre-approval from a lender to demonstrate that you are a qualified and a serious offer to the seller. And this is very important. Okay, number 3, negotiating power. You need that confidence and negotiating power when you're making an offer. Alright, sellers are more likely to take your offer seriously. So you need this pre-approval letter. So a pre-approval letter is typically valid for 90 days, 3, 6, 9, 90 days. You need that, okay? So be in touch with your lender. Overall, a pre-approval letter provides you with confidence, clarity, and credibility as you navigate the home buying process. This is Geofrey Garcia from E3 Realty, and I'll see you tomorrow.